Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to switch account in a Bluesky social, and it's really easy and simple, guys. All you want to do is make sure you're logged into Bluesky, open up Bluesky, then come here, scroll down, click on settings. Now here what you want to do, guys, is click on account. Okay, scroll down, click on sign out. Okay, click on sign out right here. We're going to sign out of our account, all our accounts. That's perfectly fine. Click on sign out. And then what you want to do, guys, is sign in again. And now we're going to be switching our account. So for example, if you had already had another account, you would basically be clicking on your other account and you'd be signing in automatically. For example, let's say I have two accounts right here, this one and this one. I just click on this and then enter my password and then sign in. Let me enter my password and show you. There you go, guys. I've entered my password. Then just tap on next, and we have basically switched accounts, and it's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this video helps you out, and if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.